Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple fresher position opened in Cube. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. So this is like Cube official career page. Let's discuss about the requirement process. This position is for associate software engineer. Location they mention Bangalore and it's a full-time opportunity guys. Technology department they mention like software engineering India. These are like they mention like the company details and also what milestone they achieved here. They mentioned here. Let's main point focus on the responsibility. So the candidate need to like implement the bug fixes, small features and test improvements in Python, FastAPI and Django with under like the guidance of the senior. So you will get the proper training from your senior. So you have to write like unit test for all developed codes and you have to study and apply the squad coding standard. You have to participate in the pair programming session, both driver and the navigator. So you will like learning the goal each session. You have to read and document the existing event, customer codes, data lake transformation pipelines. You will learn from this one. So what is the architecture exposure? It's expecting company from you. So you have to attend all the architecture review and design discussion as an active observer. Second point they mention like a shadow senior engineer during system design, whiteboarding, and also like some additional like the description of the mention like learning to read sequential diagram, event flow maps, and the data lake zone diagram. So you will get that one. You have to study like the LAN architecture map that is like each microservice event and also REST API surface in the full pipeline. You have to complete like safe direct study of the core architecture pattern quarterly. So that is like they mention like for bronze, silver, and that and gold also. So like this, what I observe like you will as you are joining as a fresher, you will get proper training like end to end flow. Next, like they are saying like event driven and data like foundation. So you will learn like learn RabbitMQ consumer pattern by working with the existing implementation. You will like implement the bronze zone right task and also like you have to add silver zone data quality validation rules. This meaning actually they mentioned here. So you can go through this one like a field validation check and schema assertion to existing transformation pipelines. So you will learn like to read event hubs and consumer lag matrices and also offset committed during on the call shadow rotation. So here like what is the REST API you will learn. So you will need to implement minor fast API endpoints addition under senior review. You will learn that one and you need to write the integration test for assigned endpoints covering the API path and validation error. So you need to learn also like contribute. You have to contribute yourself to open API document updates like parameter description, example payloads and error references. You will learn like auth to Azure ready token validation by working with existing fast API authentication middleware. So you will learn like from your senior, you will get more support as per their description. So what is your career growth? So they mention like observation initially the structure reviewer within the 60 days. You need to complete mandatory like the certification within the 6 months that is AZ 900. You have to complete that one and one Python testing data engineering foundation course also you have to complete. Next point they mention like submit a monthly technical learning note to the squad wiki. So you need to like upload your like share your idea concept like to like practical code based example. You are like you need to work like proactively surface blocker in the stand-ups. So you need to work as an independent player. So the minimum qualification they mention like 0 to 3 years. So fresher is eligible for this position. Even like they mention like intensive contract hours and also strong academic project also it is additional point for you guys. So here they mention like Python fundamentals, data structure, oops, and error handling also they record. You have to exposure like to at least one of the web technology like Django or FastAPI, Flask or similar. REST API basis also as you are joining as a fresher, you have to explore more technology. So REST API basic like HTTP method, JSON request response, at least you have some idea. Git fundamental also you need to learn that one and you also at least some idea about what is Git and how to use that one. Strong self-directed learning instinct. So that means like you will need to work independently acquiring technical skills with example. you need to like clear written English. So while you are discussing with your senior, while you're discussing with the project lead, while you're discussing with the business, while you're discussing with the testing team or support team, your communication skill must be clear so other will understand that one. So the additional point they mentioned, if you have any additional hands-on exposure to event-driven system, like they mentioned like message queues and pop-up script async pass, you will, it's a plus point. So if you have any basic data like idea like data lake or data pipeline awareness, that is also a plus point. And Docker basic level also they are expecting. So you have to exposure like Azure 900 coursework, hands-on like project or any certification, it's a plus point also. So if you are like contributing any open source or personal Python project portfolio, it is also a plus point for you guys. If you are interested to apply this position, there is one more option is here. You need to click this application option. It's like some basic steps, not that much complex. You can fill that one and submit your application. Still, if you have any query and concern in your mind, feel free to like comment in my comment box. In my available time, I'll reply for your message. Thank you so much. Like those who are watching my video, if you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. So it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.